Okay, so this is our TV right here. Now, if you were to go to turn it on, one moment, you'd see that it's pretty dim. Okay, you guys should see more clearly once there's like an actual image on the screen, so just wait for it to turn on a bit. Okay, it sure is taking its time, but let's give it a moment. Oops, forgot to turn this one on.
Watch and win. More entries submitted. More chances of winning 5,000 pesos daily.
See that?
Or 50,000
You can
pesos
barely
draw.
see the image, so that's the problem. And also, it sounds okay, doesn't it? But that's because I have this sound bar right here, but if we were to unplug the sound bar, then yeah, there's no audio either. As soon as you unplug this guy. So according to my research, it's probably the two capacitors that I saw that are bulged, that are broken, that are causing it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so there you have the main board of the TV. And if you guys had noticed, if I zoom in on these two capacitors, sorry, I can't get my hand steady. Yeah, they're bulged, as you can see. Unlike these guys, you can see that their tops are flat. So to try and fix this, I'm gonna go ahead and try to replace these two and see if that does a trick. So I'm just gonna take this board out of this TV and bring it on the table. Okay, so I finally got the board out of the TV. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix it by taking off these guys here. Looks like I just have to melt this part. And I just found out yesterday that you actually have to wet this sponge here. Just learned that yesterday. So I'm gonna use this sponge today to wipe the iron clean. So let's get this thing heated up so we can get started. Okay, so I finally got my iron here heated up here. So let's start by trying to remove those two capacitors. Let's see. Just making sure I'm removing the right one. Okay. Looks like I'll need this solder sucker here. The soldering braid that I ordered didn't come in yet, so that would probably make the job easier, but okay, I'm just gonna cut this part out since you guys wouldn't even be able to see what I'm seeing here. So yeah, wish I had like a overhead camera. So let's just go ahead and skip this part. Okay, so finally got those two capacitors out of the way. See that? It's clear already. That actually took me way longer than it should have, but I was able to get them both off. So here are the replacements that I bought. Looking quite good. Now I made sure that they're the exact same as these old ones. 35 volts, 330 microfarads. That's the exact same as these. So let's go ahead and try to get these two on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our new capacitors slotted into place. Let's see here. Just need to make sure of the polarity. Yep. And whoops, did not mean to do that. Let's do the other side as well. And let's turn this around. Okay, so that's how it's looking like right now. Then let's bend these slightly upward. Okay, that's not very slightly, but just bend it just to make sure it doesn't fall out while I'm soldering it in. So you gotta make sure it's sitting flush on the PCB though. So okay, that seems to be good. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Okay, but yeah, I'll go ahead and get to work on soldering it now. Okay, here we go now. Time to actually solder those two on. Let's get started. Okay. Looks good. Okay, I'm actually just gonna skip this part too. Okay, so I finally got those two capacitors soldered on there. As you can see, it's not very good, but I'd say I did a better job compared to when I did it with the keyboard here. So, yeah. And they seem to be pretty secure on there too, so let's go ahead and plug this TV up and see if it works. Okay, so there I have everything back in place. All the connectors. So I'm just gonna put the cover back on, and then yeah, I'll just slap this back on, and then I'm not even gonna test it. Let's just go ahead and see if it works. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this works now. Okay, back away a little bit, just in case it explodes or something. Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's just wait for turn on this TV box. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's clearly the screen's clearly back here, so okay. It's not dim like before now. So let's see. I'm not gonna be convinced until I actually see something on the TV. So wait, we got to turn that on. Come on now. Okay, fix the screen but not the audio. Okay, I guess that's good enough at least. Really wish it could have fixed the audio too, but hey, at least the screen's back on. Okay, that should be it. Thank you guys for watching.